Guys, so welcome back to Quote with Mousree. So today we will learn that how to make a squishy unicorn toy on Scratch 3. So it's not just a normal game. You would need some sprites. You can get any types of sprites. I got the unicorn sprite. So let's see. Okay, so first do this, otherwise maybe my background voice can be not good for the game sound. Okay guys, so let's see that how to make it. So you will need, okay, I just shared the game in Scratch, so let's see. You will need this one, just only one sprite. It's not a GIF, you can see here. Right there, toy. Okay, you can write the toy. Now let's go. So this is the code of the sprite, and you can change the background as much as possible, like the way you want. I want this, but actually my sprite has this white background, so it's not for a good backdrop. You will just need this type of sprites, okay? And you will also need with the background, with this color, white color background, because otherwise it will be not good. So another time doing this. Okay guys, so this was our today's video, and it was super easy, I hope. So guys, bye bye, take care, bye. OMG.